Hello, today we're going to be building a Rubbermaid Big Max 7x3 foot shed. First course of action is to get everything out of the box and put all the garbage back inside the box. Alright, we got everything out of the box. And we're ready to start assembling. First, we got the base down. Now we put up the walls. The walls have these little tabs right here. They snap in to these slots right here.
This is feet right there. Oh, no, I didn't get up there.
Go down there. Squares lock the back wall into position like that. Goes all the way up the wall. Alright, once you get all your square brackets in, secure in the two back walls, you can install the front walls now. It slides down and locks in. Do the same for the other side. Just like that. Next, we're going to install this triangle roof piece. On the triangle roof piece, this plastic plate is going to slide in right here and secured with 4 screws. You'll want to come on the inside for the back still. So you guys slide them in the slots there, the triangle pieces. More right. Yeah, right, like in that slot, yeah. one bolt and washer will secure the metal brace and both sides.
Oh, one washer.
Next, we're gonna install the doors. They simply just slide into that hole. In that hole right there. That knob. And that right there. Alright, once you get the doors into the hole, you can pull the triangle down onto the door to secure it. And you can fill in these 4 screws. Same on that side. Next, these screws get inserted to those 4 holes right there on all corners of the shed. All right, so next is the roof panel. It gets inserted into that metal bar up there that we installed before. Be sure to install with the arrow closest to the metal bracket up there. Alright, when you're installing the roof panel, ensure to install it like this. It's got to fit underneath the metal lip at the top. So this is the only way you can get it in, and then you lower it down. Lower it down like that, and it snaps into place. Alright, once you get the roof panels installed and snapped in, that one's not snapped in as you can see, but they're all snapped in here, snapped in. After it's been snapped in properly, you can use these screws to go right through here and here, as well as here and here. After those roof screws are in, we go around the perimeter at the bottom and put these same screws in here, in here, in here, and all the way around to secure the walls to the base.